What's the name of this island?
Tulang Diot.
Tulang Diot. Does he have a mask for you? And flippers, okay. Otherwise you're gonna drown, right?
Tulang Diot.
Tulang Diot?
Tulang Diot.
Tulang Diot.
Like,
Subscribe.
click the bell please.
Thank you. It's a nice bike to tour around the Philippines with, as opposed to the G-sled scooter. She's like, who's that guy following us? Okay, so we're heading out to the island that's right next to the hotel. I forget the name of it. We're gonna take a pump boat over and see how it goes. Okay, that's the island we're going to. You can see right there the beach. It's just a few minutes offshore, so you could actually swim it, but they're saying there's a bump or a ferry, a little ferry boat that goes back and forth that you should try and rent. So we're gonna go try and find that instead of renting a separate private boat. Yeah, so this is the place we came down the other day. I think we parked over here somewhere.
Pila pasahe lang. Pila ang kwan. Dili may mag-rent og kuan. Nagkadto ra man gud mi. Dili lang may mo rent ba og pump. Hulaton mi ninyo ya? Hulaton mi ninyo.
Ini go snorkeling ma'am, agi mo beach. Pwede na mo maghatag ng oras ma'am. Bahala kung sa oras sa muli. Kaya sabi sa kayo kung buhaton mo tibo kadlaw.
That's there and back, or is that there and snorkeling around the island, or what is that?
Only at the back of the island sir, it's better.
Kajut lang man mi mga 30 minutes ra guro.
Oh, pwede na hotel mo ma'am. Snorkeling mo dala na.
30 minutes.
That's fine.
Or 1 hour ba? Dara na. Wala na nga turo niya. Pero na ina nga turo sa adlaw.
So supposedly there is a little ferry that goes back and forth. However, we do not know where it is. So we got hooked up with the first guy we saw, 500 pesos.
500 pesos.
There and back, and base snorkeling a little bit. Does he have a mask for you? And flippers, okay. Otherwise you're gonna drown, right? Thank you. Oh, this one has a shade. So much better. That other boat I got fried in with no shade on it. So it's fine. I mean, 500 bucks or 500 pesos, it's not bad. For what, how many hours? A couple hours?
It depends upon us.
How long?
They include the cheer. These are the islands that little boy said, because there are lots of tulang plants. The name of it?
Tulang.
Tulang.
Tulang, that's a plant?
The name of the plants. So, and then diot is small.
Small plants.
Small plants.
That's
And not small plants. Small island.
Oh, small island. So that's the name of the island?
That's why they named it Tulang Diot. Diot. Diot tulang no? Tulang Diot.
Okay. Okay, so G has never been snorkeling before. She really can't even swim, and the crew forgot.
First time.
And the crew forgot the life jacket, so they gave her a piece of foam to float on. So we're gonna try that. All right, I'm gonna go in the water, and then we're gonna do it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now put the mask down. Make sure it's on your nose. Blow it. Blow your nose a little bit. All right, now put the mouth in. Now make sure you can breathe just through your mouth. All right, now put your head under the water. Put your face under. Ah. Smacked the hell out of myself.
Not tight.
What?
It's not tight.
Okay, make it tight. You should have done. That's why you were supposed to do up there. There, just breathe. That's all you gotta do. All right, you got it? Third time's a charm. All right, I gave her my mask. She was not having luck with hers. I did a little snorkeling. I'll let her try it. She can float, but she can't really swim. What's the name of this island? What's the name of this island?
Tulang diot.
Tulang Diot.
Tulang diot.
Ma'am? Ato na mo? Ah, okay. Amo sa niya ito sila kadali mo. Balik kami tayo.
Ah, sige, sige.
So this was on TripAdvisor's top 10. I was thinking it was in the top 10 of places to go. Camotes Island. So she convinced me to come out here this morning. I was feeling pretty lazy. The weather was actually pretty hazy when we first got up, so we weren't sure if we were going to come out here. But it's nice. It's nice to get out of the hotel, and the beach by the hotel isn't as, you really can't swim there. So it was nice to go snorkeling a little bit. And it was her first time, so she really enjoyed it. But I think she'd enjoyed it more if she had the life vest in the beginning. She got a life vest at the end, tried it a little bit. It worked out good. So there's supposedly a entrance fee of 10 pesos, and I brought 9 pesos in change, and then like 100 pesos in clip.
19 pesos.
Yeah, so for the two of us, I have 19 pesos. I'm 1 peso short. So we'll see if we can swing it. But we might have to make her swim back. So you gotta put your name in the book, pay the pesos, and then look for a place. So G's getting us something to drink. They really kind of rope you off in here. You're kind of corralled in this one little beach area. I think you could probably sneak out and walk around, but I don't know. It's good. So a little ways that way. I gotta put this up so I remember to spell the name. And you can rent these little tables for something. So that's the little snack shack they got set up there. Volleyball. I'm gonna go test the water out while I'm here. Thank you.
Get your rock again.
I know I did. And the water. The changing room?
Can I just go into the boy?
Yeah.
Tulang diot.
Tulang diot?
Tulang diot.
Tulang diot. All right, now we're on our way out. It's only about a few hours.